Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I did braids for the very first time. Keep watching to see how it all went down. Okay, so I started out with freshly washed hair. And I did a part. I sectioned the hair into two. I am still very bad with sectioning my hair. I'm not like those other YouTubers that say, oh, I'm not really good at sectioning my hair, and then they do it perfectly. No, I do it badly because I'm really rubbish. But I wanted to do braids for the first time. I watched a lot of videos here on YouTube and I was like, yeah, I can do it. I've also done a video doing passion twists. Again, I was doing that for the first time. I will link the video into the description box and you can see how I did that video. I'm just somebody who is really passionate about natural hair. I love taking care of my hair, and I'm just teaching myself more and more, trying to understand, you know, how to make my own hair flourish, and just sharing ideas with others really on what I find, and also just learning how to protect my own hair. And as I've said in my previous video, you know, with what has happened in the past 2 years with the pandemic, it really is a good idea to teach yourselves one or two things so that you can still take care of yourself and still look good, even, you know, maybe you're not able to go and see a hairdresser or a beautician or, you know, a professional to do you up. So that's what I've been doing lately, just kind of teaching myself to do my own hair, do my own face. I'm still learning and I'm enjoying the process. But with this, I decided to braid my own hair for the very first time. If you watch my previous video, you will see that it took me, you know, like a whole day. But with this, it took me 5 hours, guys. So I am actually improving. I am getting better. And I'm really pleased. It just goes to show that you can literally do anything. And trust me, guys, I'm really bad at doing this because I had no experience whatsoever. But the fact that I managed to do it, that means you can do it. And I think we should never say I can't now, because if you just put your mind to something, you can do it. So I sectioned my hair and I was going to do jumbo braids, you know, those really big ones. But as you will see, you know, the hair was not exactly the same. So some of the braids will be a little bit thicker than the others. But I think that's something that I will keep learning as I, you know, continue doing my own hair and get better at it. But yeah, this was the first one. I was so happy when I finished this. I felt like I had, I don't know, landed on the moon or something. It felt really amazing. So yeah, I kept just sectioning my hair into big chunks because, as I said, I wanted them to be jumbo ones. As it was my first time as well, I didn't want to start with the tiny ones because I knew that they would take long and it would probably put me off doing this again. So I just wanted to start with the chunky ones that I knew wouldn't take too much time. So what I would do was section the piece of hair, and then I would put the jam on it just to make sure that the edges are really sleek and are not lumpy. And then I would section the hair, part the hair that I was using the extensions into 3, and then just plait it over my own hair. I'm not very good at doing the knot, so as I say, you know, I'm still learning, but I'm hoping that at least it will stay on for at least 2 weeks or so, because I don't think it was that secure. It wasn't very firm, but it's holding. you know, it's holding, so that is good enough. So I think I did like 6 braids on this side. Yeah, I think it was 6 braids on this side, and then I went on to do the same on the other side. Again, was just sectioning a huge piece of hair, putting gel, brushing it up to slick it up, and then I would braid on the extensions, and I was using 24 inches, I believe. I will put a link in the description box to where I got the hair and the type of hair that I used. And this time I wanted to go with black hair because last time when I did passion twists, I went for a bright color and it was very easy to see the mistakes that I had made. So I thought if I go with black, you know, it won't be too obvious. So I went on to put the ends in hot water. I don't know what I did wrong there because they went a little bit curly. So if there's any hairdressers watching this, please let me know what I did wrong there, why the edges went a bit curly. But still, I was kind of pleased with everything. I was happy with how everything turned out. As you can see here, look at me all finished, feeling extra proud of myself and also amazed, like in awe, like wow, I actually did this. And believe me when I say, if I did it, you can do it. I've always paid for all the services that I get, be it my hair, my face, everything, because I've always just told myself that I can't do anything. I'm just showing you how the back looks here. It's not that good, but it's, you know, it is what it is. The back is what it is, because I think the sections are really chunky here, the back. And also because I'm still struggling with my 3-way mirror. I haven't quite figured out how to use it yet, but I'm certain that I will get better and I will understand how to really use it. You can see that the front is definitely decent because I can see it, and you know, it was easy for me to section the hair, and it looks okay, you know, it looks decent. I could totally wear this to work and anywhere, you know, it looks good. I'm really happy. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments. Do you think I did okay for a first timer? This was the very first time doing braids by myself, and then I kind of tried out a couple of hairstyles, just playing around with it, like did a high knot there, just experimenting with things I could try out. And then I put some hair jewelry as well, just trying out different things and just really happy like a little girl in a candy store. So proud and excited and just like proud. Yeah, so yeah, here it is, guys. I did it. I did it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video, and have yourself a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.